Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and today I'll be sharing a quick Dollar Tree haul with you all. Let's start with the food items first. So I picked up 3 containers of Cool Whip, and this is my sinful indulgence without adding a bunch of calories to my, semi-healthy lifestyle. And what I typically do is take a scoop of this and pair it with just some Hershey's hot cocoa and kind of make my own faux or fake chocolate ice cream, and it's guilt-free. So that's my snack that I can indulge in as often as I'd like. I picked up another one of my individual sized favorite cookies. I no longer buy the box size because I'll eat the entire can in one setting, but when I buy them individually, I can indulge from time to time. I picked up a bottle of ketchup. I grabbed 6 of these individual sized Welch's juices, 100% juices. I grabbed 3 of the Concord grape and 3 of the apple. And I will be putting these down at the bar in the beverage cooler. And these will be for my daughter and her friends when, she has friends come over. She doesn't know that I bought these because she will go down and drink them all. So I'll just put them down there and she'll just find them by surprise when we have company over. And I really don't want to let her know about these because I'm trying to get my entire family to drink more water instead of drinking their calories. But I picked up a roll of the shelf liner, the kind that looks like this with the little kind of waffle type pattern. And I shared with you years ago how I use this. I customized my shelf liner to make customized coasters for various dishes in my home. And just in case I have new subscribers that don't know what I'm talking about, when you place a mug or something on a dish or a plate, and oftentimes I do this for my quality time when I have my tea in the morning or if I'm eating my oatmeal, that cup and saucer is going to slide around. So I usually cut custom size pieces of this shelf liner to keep everything steady and from shifting. As you can see, I can shake this as hard as I want and it won't slip. So I use this all the time for various size dishes, and I can make it whatever size I need it to be. I picked up 6 of these cutting boards. I really wanted to get all white, but they only had 4 white ones, and I grabbed 2 of the red ones, but it really doesn't matter because they will be covered. You won't see the color. And I have a little hack that I will share with you on how I use these. I think about a year ago I mentioned using these, but I wanted to try it out first to see if it worked before I actually shared with you guys. And I absolutely love the way my cutting board hack works. So I will be showing you my little DIY project with these very soon. I just grabbed a pack of index cards for Reagan. She needed these for studying. I snatched up a small bottle of the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula. I needed this for my small crossbody handbag because the lotion that I have in my work bag is way too big. I grabbed a pack of the travel jars. I absolutely love these things for so many different things, not just for traveling. And I needed these to store our small rubber bands in. And I'll be sharing with you how I set up our little hair baskets. My little hair basket has made my life so much easier over the past year, and Ray has been stealing my little hair basket, so I'm going to make her an identical one. I grabbed another pair of sunglasses. This is a different style than the ones I shared in my last haul, but it is the same pattern. It's that tortoiseshell type pattern, and I'm going to put these in my husband's car so that I can just have a pair there as well. I saw this pink Himalayan sea salt in the Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd give it a try. I thought this was a pretty good size for $1. I grabbed a large print wall hanging calendar. Ray said she wanted a big calendar that she could hang on her wall in her room because she's getting overwhelmed with a lot of projects, and her small little planner that they give them at school was not doing the job. So we'll see if this works for her. I grabbed this 6-pack of clear transparent tape, and this is for our Tomies business. And for those of you who do not know, I created a product called Tomies. It stands for Time of the Month Panties, and it's a leak-proof period panty with a pocket on the front that you can put a disposable heating pad in there that will last up for 8 hours to help soothe your cramps while you're on the go. I will leave the link to the Tomies video and also the link to the Tomies website down in the description box below. I grabbed another mesh laundry bag. Now I'm going to have to eat my words because I said to myself, oh, I would never buy any of those cheapy Dollar Tree scarves, and I actually saw this scarf. It's a navy blue scarf with these like Dalmatian type polka dots on them, or irregular polka dots on them, and I absolutely fell in love. I love this pattern. Now I bought 2 of them to kind of double them up so that it could look a little bit beefier and more substantial. I'm going to try this on to see if it works out. But again, I thought these were really, really nice, and they are very lightweight, and these would be great for the spring and the summer months ahead. Scarf actually looks pretty good. This is a doubled up version. This is 2 of them put together, and I kind of like it. I'll be rocking this. I saw this book and I thought it was absolutely perfect. It's called The Happiest Mommy You Know by Genevieve Shaw Brown. Genevieve Shaw Brown, ABC News reporter and mother of 3, would rise before the sun came up to prepare organic meals for her children while she skipped breakfast and scarfed down greasy macaroni and cheese in between meetings at work. She felt sluggish and exhausted until she decided to put herself on the baby diet and started eating the same foods her kids ate in adult-sized portions. The results were transformative. Genevieve felt better, lost weight, and prepared a segment on her new diet for Good Morning America that went viral. And so here are some of the chapters in the book. It says, holy crap, I eat like crap, ditch the play dates, get sleep at any cost, lose the leggings, love the one you're with. And let's see what the other chapters are. Take yourself to the doctor, move it, hit the family lotto, leave your kids at home, grown-ups need help too. What I plan on doing with this book, hopefully I can find another one because I need this one for myself, but I want to put together a little package or a giveaway gift for Mother's Day, and I think this would be the perfect addition to a Mother's Day basket for a giveaway. Another book that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, I actually picked up 2 of these. And like I said, I'm putting together a Mother's Day giveaway. So if you have a teenage girl or a young girl, a preteen, I think this will be a great read. I haven't started reading it yet, but I read the back of the book to see what it's about. And basically it's titled American Girls, Social Media and the Secret Lives of Teenagers. And for anyone that has a daughter, this is probably a must read. On the back it has some of the statistics. 73% of kids have smartphones. Teenagers spend up to 11 hours a day plugged into an electronic device. Kids begin seeing online porn as young as age 6, and the majority of boys and girls have watched it before they turn 18. 92% of American children have an online presence before the age of 2, and 7% of Tinder's estimated 50 million users are between the ages of 13 and 17. Wow, I cannot believe there are 13-year-olds on Tinder. So this book kind of dives into what it's like to be on social media as a teen. And I think a lot of us parents kind of dismiss and say, oh, not my child. And we don't really want to look at the hard facts and have these conversations with our girls. And I just had some disturbing news, heard some disturbing news just the other day about a young lady that we know posting some ridiculousness on social media, trying to get those likes, trying to, be popular. And it was just, very, very degrading. Our young girls are degrading themselves. So we need to really tap into and get that confidence built back up in our girls. But I didn't mean to get too preachy, but I am so for, championing for our young girls. So that was the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye, guys.